Thanks everyone for joining the session. Welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. And I would like to tell you Tungabhadra Networks is not an institute, it's a company, purely networking company, where we are providing education services as well as we are building and designing, implementing the networking infrastructures to our clients. Our clients are located in Hyderabad as well as Bengaluru, and some of the US clients also we have it, and we are working on it. Okay, so it's a purely networking company. We only deal with networking concepts, networking technologies. It's not like an institute where it can teach all kind of courses by hiring someone from outside. It's not like that. Okay, so it's a purely networking company. We are the people who can teach you everything. So we are officially part of Startup India and as well as MSME Government of India. And it's a registered company, private limited company, and we have registered this company in the year of 2024. It's been almost 2 years, and out of 2 years, we train almost 1900, 2,900 students. Out of 2,900 students, 982 candidates got a job. This is official record. And remaining lot of people didn't informed us. Okay, so some people just join here to enhance the skills. Okay, so yeah, so I can say here we are providing tech level training. It means if you join in any product based company like a Cisco, Juniper, Nokia, or HP, or Amazon or Oracle, so how exactly the work in those companies, the same work, the same concepts we're teaching here. So that's why 80 to 90% people, 80 to 90% people who are already working as a network engineer, they're joining here to learn at packet level. Okay, yeah. So these are the courses we are providing right now: CCNA, CCNP, JNCAA, JNCAS, JNCIP, Juniper, Palo Alto courses, AWS, Linux for networking, network automation. This is very important currently with Python and as well as Aruba networking and Cisco Meraki. Everything we are giving routing, switching, security, and automation and wireless technologies as well. Okay, yeah. So these are the courses we are giving training at the moment. Yeah, yeah. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh Goud. I have total 14 years right now, 14 years of experience in this entire networking industry. I worked for Cisco projects and with Cisco team, Cisco professional service team, I can say. And I worked in Nokia, Juniper, Amazon, and Oracle is my last company. And along with me, my colleague, and his name is Karthik Margaud, and he has 8 years experience now. And recently has completed 8 years. And he worked as a Palo Alto tech engineer. It's a security product. So we all are tech engineers. We worked in product-based company. We know how things are work at the back end. So as a tech engineer, we used to interact with global customers like APAC, AMER, and EMEA, and different customers like a data center environment, service provider environment, and enterprise environment. Different customers are purchasing all these products, and we worked in a critical environment where we resolve a lot of critical issues. Okay, so yeah, so we have a huge experience in entire networking industry. We both are taking care of courses online. Okay, so yeah, so if you're really looking for a knowledge from us, practical knowledge, yes, this is the best platform. Okay, let me explain about the domain, networking domain, and you'll get a clarity. So first, what is networking domain? Networking. What is networking? A lot of people thinking that networking means advertisement stuff. No, that is front end. People used to use that keyword networking for advertisement purpose. The networking domain is all about internet. You know internet, right? That's why you join in Google Meet. Without internet, your day cannot start. Whenever you woke up, right, you will check Instagram and WhatsApp, and corporate employees, they will check their teams. They'll connect to the internet, then only they will start working on it. Government organizations, schools, hospitals, wherever you go, without internet, the operations cannot start. So this technology is all about internet, how internet works, how internet is using that, you all are using internet, that, front end, however the back end, how exactly internet works. If you start learning that back end process, that's it, you are the network engineer. Okay, so again I'm telling you, this is not a institute. And what exactly it is, it's a industrial training program where we provide every concept with real-time project. You don't see any theory here. Whatever the concept we are learning here, everything with project, real-time projects. So like if you take any concept, why this concept we are learning here, and what is the purpose of learning, where exactly we are implementing this. After implementing, what kind of issues you will see, each and everything in all prospective way, we will learn the concept. So that's why we are calling this as a industrial training program. So that's why we are providing internships to diploma final year students, BTech final year candidates, and they're submitting the internship certificates to their college also to get a marks. Okay, yeah, and let's understand about this networking, internet. You know how we get internet, right? One is broadband connection. So Act FiberNet or Geo Fiber, Airtel Extreme. You take internet connection, they will give you one router to you, and here they'll connect a one fiber cable. Whatever you see, it is a fiber cable. They're connecting here. From other end, they will connect to your router. And this is a router, Wi-Fi router, home Wi-Fi router. And from here through Wi-Fi, you're getting internet connection. So this is one way. Another way is cellular, 4G, 5G cellular. Okay, like 5G we are using right from your mobile phone SIM. So you have a wireless tower. From this wireless tower through wireless media, you are getting internet. You're get not only getting internet, you're getting a voice services also. You're able to calls, right? Call to someone, right? And you're talking each other. So it's called voice services. Voice services as well as data. Data means internet. You're able to accessing it, right? Through Wi-Fi. Okay. And apart from these two ways, do we have any other way to get internet connection? Does anyone knows it? Apart from these two ways, do you know any other way?
Satellite.
Yes, very good. Satellite. You know, right? Starlink. Elon Musk company Starlink, they're giving a internet connection or satellite, like how you are getting a TV channels, like Sun Direct, Airtel, DTH. So top of your home, you will get a antenna. From antenna, you will get a signals through satellites. From antenna to your Wi-Fi modem, it is connecting. From there, you're getting internet connection. If you see right now, Dubai Airlines, they're giving high-speed internet services even on a flight, and ships. So ships, they are going via they're going on ocean, right? On ocean you don't have any towers, but how they're getting internet? Through satellite. Okay, so through satellite they're getting internet connection. So these all are three ways to get a internet connection. So once you get internet connection, you start accessing whatever it is available on the internet through websites and all. Okay, so how exactly backend it works? Let's understand. Let me give you a small, high level overview how exactly backend it works. On your mobile phone, you have a Instagram. Everyone using Instagram and YouTube, right? Look at this. This is Instagram. This is YouTube. You have on your mobile phone. On your mobile phone, you commonly see these two applications. Okay. Suppose on your mobile phone you are started accessing Instagram. You are uploading one video or photo. So whatever the application you are seeing on your mobile phone, that application will have a server. Suppose Instagram application you downloaded, that Instagram application will have an Instagram server. Suppose WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp you downloaded, that is mobile application. However, you will see that WhatsApp server also. And whatever the website, whatever the Android or Apple iPhone application you see, every application will have a server that is called application server. For YouTube, you have a YouTube server. If you play PUBG online game, you have a PUBG server. Whatever it is, suppose you're trying to access a website www.tungabhadranetworks.in. That website is also having a server. Each and everything, either it could be a mobile app or a website, it has a server. The servers are located in data center. So right now you are accessing Instagram. Okay, you're using Instagram, and Instagram will have a server that is called Instagram application server, which is located in data center. So right now you are at your home. You may be in Hyderabad or Bangalore, wherever you are, but the server commonly located in somewhere else. Suppose in Delhi data center, just like that. So currently I'm in Karnool, and this is my mobile phone, and I downloaded Instagram, and I'm uploading a video or photo here in my mobile. How the data is traveling? First, the data, whatever the data it is there on your mobile phone, right? Like you take a video, that video consists of how many MB? Minimum you can see 100 MB, right? Generally, you see the video size 100 MB. It's a size of the data, the video size. This 100 MB video file, a small clip, you started uploading on your mobile phone Instagram. And then where exactly it will go first? First, it will go to router, your home Wi-Fi router. From there, it can go to service provider router. What is service provider? Whatever the internet connection you have taken, Airtel or Jio or anything through Wi-Fi or whatever it is, through service provider. Service provider is also using a routers. So home Wi-Fi router, this is just a cost of 2000 rupees, 2000 to 3000. Okay. But whatever the service provider using a routers, that cost is more than 3 to 5 lakhs. The cost it is between 3 to 5 lakhs. How the big router is looks like, I'll show it later. But where the data will go, the service provider, wherever, suppose I have taken internet connection from Airtel. So whatever I'm uploading a video, it is going to internet service provider router. From there, another router. Every 35 to 40 kilometers, we have a router. Okay. Currently, I'm in Karnool, from Karnool, and this Instagram server is located in Delhi. Okay. So from Karnool to Delhi, at every 35 to 40 kilometers, there will be a router, and in data center, this server also connected to a router. Like this, from my local internet connection to a Instagram server data center, it may be a thousands of kilometers. At every 35 to 40 kilometers, we see a physical router. Example, the Airtel is a service provider. The Airtel is spread across the India, right? Wherever you go, you will get a Airtel signal, right? From south to north, wherever you go, you will get a Airtel signal. The Airtel company, they install lakhs of thousands of routers at every 35 to 40 kilometers. Okay, yeah. So right now I'm in Karnool, and the server is located in Delhi in data center. From Karnool to data center, at every 35 to 40 kilometers, you see a router. That router is connected to server. That's how the data is traveling. Not only video, any photo or anything. Once the 100 MB is uploaded in server, it is published, and everyone, your followers, everyone can watch the video. This is a high level overview. So from your phone to server, Instagram server, so many routers are involved. And how these routers are connecting? With fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable. Okay. So the fiber optical cable you see, right? So in real world, you see if any underground construction is happening, you may see some yellow color or orange color pipes. Have you seen, everyone? Anyone observe like that? So just like this. Okay, let me show you. So one second, let me show you. Have you seen this kind of pipes? Okay, so like this. Underground construction, right? If any underground construction is going on your places, you may see this kind of pipes. What is this? This all are fiber cables. Entire your data is carrying through these fiber cables. Okay, so the Airtel is a company. They lay a fiber cable through underground entire in India, and every 35 to 40 kilometers they use a router. The router is looks like this. This is a router. This is a router. The cost of this router is 4 to 5 lakhs minimum. Now, what this router will do? So, currently you're using Airtel SIM. However, you're able to call Geo network. Backend, how it is happening because of this router. This router one side is connected to Airtel, other side it is connected to Geo. So, what router will do? One is Airtel is network, Geo network. It enables the communication between two networks. From your phone, you are calling from Airtel SIM to Geo number. The call is going on. Backend, what is a device? This is a device, a router. Like that, multiple networks, not only Geo. You can BSNL, Vodafone Idea, whatever the network, you can do it. And also for bank ATM, you have a SBI ATM card and you are able to withdraw from ICICI ATM. So SBI is one network, ICICI is another network. How it is happening? Backend, they're connected to this router. Okay, router is enabling a communication between different networks. So the cost of this router will be 4 to 5 lakh rupees. It's a medium router and big router. You see, these are the very big routers. The cost of this routers will be more than 15 CR, 15 crores. It varies based on the model. Okay. Now, I told you at every 35 to 40 kilometers, there is a router. This router need a power, right? This router need a power. Who will provide that power? Look at this. You see the tower station, right? Mobile tower station. So bottom of the mobile tower, you will see a small room. Any mobile tower, if you started seeing, right, bottom of the mobile tower, you see a small room. Inside this room, you will see these routers. What you will see? You will see these routers. These routers are connecting through underground. Okay. So look at this. This is a real image. It is a small room. Inside this room, you may have a rack. Inside that rack, you have a router. To provide the power to this router, they have a main power connection as well as UPS. Even UPS is go down. You have a generator. So 24 into 7, they have a power. What? This router. The connection is coming from some other router. Now, this router, one link is connected to mobile tower. Look at this here. From this router, it is connected to one link connected to mobile tower. That's how you are getting a voice and data through wireless. So from your mobile phone to mobile tower, it may be wireless. From mobile tower to backend, everything is wired. This is a router. Bottom of the tower, there is a small room like this, and this router is connected to mobile towers. Okay, so Airtel company, how they're earning money? They're earning money by giving you voice services and data services through Wi-Fi. And same, one more from this router, they connected to the Wi-Fi modem. They're giving Airtel air fiber connectivity. Airtel Extreme, right? So Airtel connection, internet connection. From this router, they're giving a fiber to home. They lay a fiber cable at your home and they're giving internet connection to you. So one link is going to tower. Through tower, you're getting wireless. Through wireless, you're getting voice and data. From router, another link is connecting to some OLT kind of device. From there, you will connect to multiple connections. Airtel fiber to home and Airtel air fiber also through wireless also you'll get it. So these many ways they're earning money by giving internet connection to you. One is via towers for 5G towers, another one is via directly broadband connections as well as via tele fiber. Understand now, you got the clear picture how you're getting voice and data. So you guys are calling to someone how the data is flowing. First from your mobile phone it is coming to server. So this tower to this router. And this routers continuously talking at the back end, it is hit the data center. So like this, there is a lot of towers. Why 35 to 40 kilometers? You see, right? If you're staying in Hyderabad city, so Amirpet you have a mobile tower, Dilsuk Nagar you have a mobile tower, like that. So they will randomly install the mobile towers entire Hyderabad city. That is a long distance, right? Yeah. Back end, how the towers are getting a signals from the routers. Okay. So now from your mobile phone to data center back end, this is how the connectivity. And from tower to tower, how they're connecting through fiber cables. That fiber cable can be laid over poles. You see in Hyderabad, right? If you see any electrical pole, there's a lot of black color cable. You can say fiber cable over poles. Okay. You see this kind of messy thing. You might observe if you go outside any metropolitan city, you can see this messy thing. If you go to Amirpet, any pole, you see this kind of stuffy. So this is called what? This is called fiber cables. So from one location to another location, they're laying a fiber cable from a longer distance via poles. This is how your internet is going. Okay, this is just a giving a overview, guys. I'm showing all this hardware equipment and wires. You're thinking like it's a hardware job or something. No, it's not like that. My responsibility is explaining the technology from scratch level, just showing you at the ground level. Okay, yeah. So this is how things are worked at backend of internet. Okay, just a idea how the data is flowing. Suppose I uploaded a video on your mobile phone. This is how it is going to your home Wi-Fi router. From there to internet service provider router. From there to again another router. Like every 35 to 40 kilometers, there is a router, and you have a optical fiber cable between them. Why optical fiber cable? Because of optical fiber cable, you are accessing high speed internet. In optical fiber cable, you have a the data can travel with light speed. What is the light speed? It's 3 into 10 to the power of 8 kilometer per second. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 of this much of speed can light can send. Okay, this is a light speed. Till now, we didn't achieve this light speed. We don't have a hardware to accept this light speed. So 10 years back, we have a 2G or 3G. Now next 2016 4G. Now it is 5G. After that 6G. So the hardware is manufacturing to accept this speed. Once we manufacture a device to accept this much of speed, right? Within milliseconds, you can download GBs of data. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is how the backend is. Okay. Now these are the routers. All these routers are handled by who? Network engineers. So once you complete completion of your training here, either CCNA or internship or anything, you're going to work on these routers. Okay, these routers are there in data centers, and you can log in remotely, and you can do configuration changes, so many things. Okay, yeah. And these are the switches. Switches in your office, you may have a 50 employees. 50 employees need a 50 computers. All the computers exactly where exactly they're connecting to the switches. Look at this. Total how many four ports? Here it is having 48 ports. Up to 48 computers you can connect. And Wi-Fi access points, servers, all the servers, computers, every edge device is connected to these switches. So these switches, the configuration, who is going to control these switches? We, network engineers. See, these are the routers and these are the switches and the firewall. Very, very, very important firewall for security. So some authorized person can log into your organization, they can steal your data. So you need to give protection. You need to secure your data. So you need to use firewall. Okay. So like a building, they need a security guy, right? Yeah. Same way for your every company, they use a firewall and there is a security guy. And on firewalls, Palo Alto is a number one in this industry. Let me show you in the list. So if you check here, right? uh, so if you see in Udemy top 100 skills, so Palo Alto is in number four. Are you seeing everyone? Palo Alto is in number four. Entire all the technologies. First is long chain. Second is ChatGPT or generative AI. Third one is Dynatrace. And fourth one is Palo Alto. It means in networking domain itself, Palo Alto is the number one. Why? Because it supports cybersecurity features, lot of filtering methods. After Palo Alto, we have a Fortinet also. So others also there, but for Palo Alto is the number one. So whatever industry currently using, we are giving those technologies. Every 3 to 4 months, we are upgrading the syllabus according to the industry standards. We will keep on upgrade the syllabus and keep on update the concepts. Okay, yeah. Now you see, right? These routers, switches, firewalls, all are using in networking domain. Your computers are connected to these switches. Okay, these all devices are very costly. So what people are doing outside, they're using a simulation tools called Cisco Packet Tracer, and they're starting practicing it. So what is Cisco Packet Tracer? Look at this. This is a tool, Cisco Packet Tracer tool. So these are the switches and routers, and you are practicing it. But the specialty of Tungabhadra networks is we have all live devices with us, all real devices with us. So I'm a networking guy, networking passionate guy. We purchase all the devices, whatever in industry we are using immediate, so that you will get a practical knowledge, right? If you start working on it on these devices, then only you'll get a practical knowledge. People who are joining remotely, some people are joining from US and different locations. For them, I'm giving a special hardware training remotely by showing the videos, by showing a in a video how the hardware is looks like. So ultimately, I'm providing a hardware training as well as you'll get an opportunity to work on live devices. So we have a 6 branches. Kurnool is the headquarters, then Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Vijayawada, Vizag, and another branch is in US, but there is no physical branch located. It's a virtual location only. So the thing is, in India we have 5 branches: Hyderabad, KBHP location, Bengaluru, Martali location. You can just check in Google Maps. You'll come to know. And Vijayawada, Kurnool, and Vizag. Recently, Vizag we've opened a new branch, and that we've opened a very big branch in Vizag. Why? Because we are going to send a lot of equipment to their location because lot of opportunities are available at Vizag at the moment. Okay, anyhow, so I will show you right now all the live devices from all the branches. Okay, so networking means backend you will see all these devices, and whatever the protocols you want to configure on these devices, you can configure remotely. Okay, so anyone from Hyderabad branch, TBN team, can you show the racks? Anyone is available from Hyderabad or Kurnool? No, not the students. I'm talking to my
From Karnal,
employees.
from Karnal.
Okay, for Kurnool, okay. So guys, if you see right,
Yeah.
everyone able to see right? So this is a Kurnool location. This is a racks. Are you seeing all the live devices here? Everyone, see? Yeah. So this is a rack and the live devices. Whatever I showed on the image, you see here. You have a servers also here. It's a main headquarters. All the running production applications. It is my knock room. Yeah. Can you zoom out? Can you please little come back a little bit? And you can see there is a other extra devices. You can see it on the bench where you can practice here as well. Okay. So this is kernel location. You will see all the all real devices here. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Anyone from Hyderabad? Thank you, Shiva. This is for kernel location.
Yes, sir, I'm from Hyderabad.
Yeah, Jyoti, can you turn on the video and show the video, Rakma? Yeah. So if you see, right, this is for Hyderabad location, everyone. So Hyderabad is a very big branch. We have a two racks. One is for freshers, another one is for experience. Yeah. So same. You see, right? You see these racks in data center. You see these switches. Can you come little bit back, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You're going closer. Please come back. Long view. Long view. Okay.
Long 1 minute.
It's okay. So now you can show the some of the device on the bench as well, right? We have it on the.
Yes, yes.
Can you show those devices? We lost you.
Just a minute, sir. I'll show it.
Okay. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys the real devices so that so these are the devices we have it. Okay. Lot of devices we have it on the bench. You can practice it. Okay. Routers, switches, everything. Can you go to the experience candidate room as well, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Hyderabad is a very big branch. We have a lot of devices with different racks. For freshers, we have separate session. For experienced candidates, we have a separate rack. So to they can access devices, without waiting for someone. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is the experienced candidates one. You see right here, separate room. We have a dedicated room. See, you see advanced devices like ASR, 1K, Fortinet, Palo Alto firewalls. Everything you can see here. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Jyoti. And anyone from
Yes.
Bengaluru?
Yeah, Vinay here. I am
Yeah,
showing that.
Vinay, please. Yeah. Look at this. This is a rack. You see it
Yeah.
in Bengaluru, and you see ASR 1K and Juniper ASR 1004X, Cisco switches, everything, firewall, Palo Alto firewall. The blue color one is a Palo Alto firewall. Yeah, this is for freshers rack. And if you go to this is for experience rack, and in a fresher room, we have a dedicated room for freshers, and the people are sitting here and practicing on live devices. Okay, yeah. So this is how it is. This is for Bangalore branch. Now, anyone from Vijayawada?
So Jayant here, sir.
Yeah, hi Jayant. So yeah, you see, right? This is for Vijayawada location. Okay. So some of the devices are located in the rack and as well as here in the branch, right? You see lot of devices in Bangalore, in Vijayawada branch. Okay. Yeah. This all are the device people are practicing on live devices. Same way in Vizag location, the final location. Anyone from Vizag? Ramesh, are you there? Anyone from Vizag?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jagdish. Okay. Are you connecting video?
Yeah, yes, sir. Once.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So everyone able to see it? Yeah. So this is for Vizag location. Okay. So we have a new office here. We see a lot of devices and we have a separate room to practice here also. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about it, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Jagdish. Yeah. Okay. So why I'm showing all the live equipment? Because you'll get some idea. All the branches. So what people are doing here, they're learning the skills on online, and we have office open at from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. During this time, even on weekends also, you can visit the office. How many hours you want to spend it and practice on live devices. We have a L2, L3 engineers over there in all the branches, and they will help you to complete your labs. So we do labs on GNS3. So GNS3 is a tool, whatever the operating system we use in live devices, that operating system we copied here and you will install on your laptop. So if you want to run your operating system, it requires a RAM and hard disk, right? ROM. That properties it can take from your laptop and it can run. See, this is a GNS3 tool. It's a router. This is a router CLI. Okay. Yeah. Now I have a real device with me. So this is a real device. I'm logging into my real device. This is a router. See, this is my kernel edge router. See, I'm logging in. So this is also same. I'm just executing one command. Show version. It is a lab device. The command is same. The CLI is same. Here also show version. See, this is a real device. So everything is same. Look at this. The commands are same. Everything is same. So you're going to practice on GNS3. So it's a real operating system only. You're installing on your laptop and you'll learn like this. And once you've done a lab on GNS3, go to office and practice on live devices. 2 times you're doing it. Okay. So that you'll get a practical knowledge. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about equipment, what you have seen behind the internet. Okay. Now the thing is how the data center is looks like. See, this is a data center example. So whatever you are uploading a data in Instagram and YouTube, it is uploading in Instagram data center, right? So there you have a storage servers. Look at this. This is a storage servers. Okay. You see, this is called hard disk, right? Everyone. This is called hard disk. So see how many hard disks are installed in this server. Okay. It is called storage server. Whatever you are uploading everyday photo, video, it is uploading here. Okay. See so much of racks, so many of racks here. Whatever you're uploading, thousands of people are uploading the data. All data is uploading in this storage servers. Okay. Example, look at this. This is a Google data center. How big it is. Look at this. If you closely observe, these racks are having a servers. And all these servers, where exactly it is connecting? It is connecting to our devices. Look at this here. This is called top of rack devices. In data center terminology, we used to call top of rack devices. If you see here, right, Kanpisunda are able to see the devices here at every top of rack, right? Yeah. So this is called devices. Look at this. What I said right just before. The server is connected to a router, right? See, same. The server is connected to a router here. See, this yellow color cables. The server is connected to your routers. Okay. It's a normal data center where you will see application servers, storage servers, and everything. Okay. Yeah. Now this is how it is. This data centers are a lot of data centers are located in India. Now, you know, in Andhra Pradesh, in Vizag is going to become a data center hub soon. Yeah. So in data center, you will see a lot of equipment and you will see a lot of opportunities also. Okay. Yeah. Now, now how internet works, you understand at the back end. So something is happening in, Sri Lanka cricket match is going on. You are watching on live, right? Even though India versus England, if it is a cricket match is going on, England, you are able to watch it on live. What I mean to say is, if anything happening in anywhere in this, in this earth, right, whichever the country it is, you are able to watch it on live. How? Because of internet. So how countries are connecting each other? Okay. So all the countries, how many countries we have here? 194 plus countries. All 194 countries, they're connecting with each other through cable. Which cable? Fiber cable. This is called ocean internet cable. Okay. Look at this, how big it is. This ocean internet cables, they're connecting fiber cables. They're connecting between the countries. So India, where exactly it is connected? So this is a fiber cable. To lay this fiber cable, they have a special ships. Okay. So from countries to countries, they're connecting through under ocean. So in India, where exactly it is connected? One is Mumbai location, another one is Kochi, Trivandrum, Tuticorin, Chennai. Mumbai to, you can see West countries. Okay, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq. So war is going on, right? So Iran is threatening that we want to cut the fiber cables. If they cut the fiber cables, that's it. Entire countries will be isolated. They don't have any internet. Okay. Yeah. Now Kochi, Trivandrum to Maldives, Tuticorin to Sri Lanka. Now Chennai to APAC countries, Malaysia and other things. So India is connected to different locations. Now soon they're going to connect Vizag. Google data center is coming, right? So yeah, it is connected to the APAC countries. So the thing is, India is connected at 5 locations. Okay, yeah. So that's why whatever happening in South Korea, you're able to watch on live. Look at this. All the countries are connecting each other. This is called internet exchange points. Okay. What cable they're using? Fiber cables. So between country to country, you have a ocean. That's why they lay the cable through ocean. But in India, we have a ground, right? So that's why through underground they lay a fiber cable. Suppose Mumbai to Chennai, it is 1,000 kilometers. They're using a fiber cable. In the fiber cable, how the data is going with the light speed? It's a light. Light means laser. In your childhood, you played with laser, right? Same laser. That laser also will have a power. That power can go up to some distance. After that, the power can lose. Suppose Chennai to Mumbai, you have 1,000 kilometers. Just an example. So you lay a fiber cable. However, the signal can go up to 100 kilometers. Okay, the signal can go up to 100 kilometers. After that, signal will lost. So what you need to do? You need to boost the signal. To boost the signal, we use a special equipment called DWM devices. These are the purely layer 1 devices. What is layer 1? You will understand in upcoming classes. So these are the devices. If you're a EC student, you know this technology, WDM, DWDM, dense wavelength division multiplexing, wavelength division multiplexing. Anyone from EC background here? No one? So you might see this technology right in your BTech 4241. Yeah. So this is a equipment, live equipment you're seeing here. DWM devices. What these devices will do, they will amplify the signal up to another 100 kilometers. So like this, you have 1,000 kilometers. At every 100 kilometers, you need one DWM device. So how many DWM devices you need from Chennai to Mumbai to boost the signal? How many you need?
10.
10. Okay. Yeah. 10. You need 10. Okay. So like that, these all are networking equipment. It's a optical networking layer 1. So they have a separate jobs for this also. Okay. Yeah. Anyhow, backend of internet, you got some idea, right? If you upload some data, how it is traveling, if something is happening on USA, how you are accessing internet. So backend, you see a routers, cables, data center. Now you know why networking. Why networking? To provide internet services. So without internet, there is nothing in this world. Okay. Now, yeah. So these devices, routers, right? Where exactly? Sorry, I'm scrolling a little fast. Yeah. These router switches firewalls are manufactured by companies. The main company is Cisco and Juniper. Now HP is a big company. HP, uh, HP, what he has done, what it is done, HP already purchased Juniper Networks as well as Aruba Enterprise. So now these two are part of HP company. So Juniper Networks is acquired by HP, Aruba also. Okay, Aruba is done on 2016. Juniper Networks is done on recently, just 1 year back. Okay, yeah. So the thing is, HP is a very big company. They're not only manufacturing laptops and servers. They're building a lot of high compute equipment, routers, switches, and everything. So they are providing the certifications as well. People who have a knowledge, they do certification. They will get a They will get a certification. So CCNA, Juniper, Palo Alto, these all are the courses to learn about the product knowledge. So CCNA certification cost is $370 including tax, and Juniper is $236 including tax. However, the Juniper is giving $150 discount. So you will get a global certification with just $59. Okay, you will get a go on mute. You will get a global certification with just $59. It means just 5,500. So this JNCA is equal to CCNA. So career gap students, they are questioning it. I have a career gap. How can I get a job? How my students are getting job? How I'm providing global certifications. They can write the exam by their own. Generally, IT certifications, they're giving money to someone and they're writing it instead of it. Yes or no? Any experienced candidates are here. You know things very well. Ground reality, right? So you cannot write the exam. Someone can write it. I'm not accepting that. You can write the exam by your own because we are giving a product level training. You don't need someone to write for you. Okay. So Juniper JNCA is equal to CCNA. Okay. So I'm showing right now. Look at this. Go to Naukari. So Naukari is a platform where you will see a jobs. Okay. Now look for it. Network engineer. Network engineer as well as type JNCA. You are learning JNCA certification, right? Look at this. Search for it. You see so many jobs. 7,000 jobs are there. Okay. So open any one of it. They will asking a certification which is equal to CCNA or Juniper. Both are same only. Different vendors. Look at this. Control F. I'm searching for JNCA. Are you seeing JNCA? See JNCA. If you done a JNCA certification, you have a job. So look at this here as well. See, they're asking desirable CCNA or JNCA. It means either CCNA or JNCA. Lot of people doesn't aware about Juniper because no one is giving training outside. I worked in a Juniper company. I know the value of it. That's why so far 600 students done a Juniper certifications. It was help for them. Okay. CCNA also you can do if you want. We can provide you. So we can provide you the training and we'll give you the dumps. Prepare very well and write by your own. Okay. Yeah, this is how what we do. Not only CCNA, whatever the courses we are providing, AWS, Palo Alto, every course you can do certification. Okay. Yeah. So very important. Why I'm focusing on Juniper, you will get a certification just with $59 only, 5,500 something. And you can use that logo. So career gap students, educational gap students, or whatever it is, non-IT, if you do certification, they will give you a priority to you. See, look at this. All. See, JNCA or CCNA equivalent, they're asking. See, I'm opening all the jobs, whatever I've searched for it. See, they're asking JNCA. You have a lot of job opportunities. Okay. So many job opportunities. So how I'm providing every month 35 to 40 placements. How? I will tell you how. Okay. Because of the content we are giving is like product based company content, and also we are providing global certifications. Okay. Also the training is packet level training. The specialty of Tungabhadra network is packet level training. What do you mean by packet level training? Even cyber security, people who are doing internship in cyber security, they need to learn networking first. So in market, there are two things: full stack developer and cyber security. These two profiles, you cannot get a job as a fresher. It's a scam. Until you have a experience at least for 2 years in networking, you cannot go into cyber security. Lot of people who has done a cyber security, right? They join here and they after training, after completion of my internship, they got a job in network engineering. You need to understand how the data is flowing, right? From your mobile phone to data center. Here, I just show you how the data is flowing, what kind of data is flowing. You need to understand. After that, only security is required, right? So without constructing a building, do you hire any security guy? No, right? So understand this. In market, they're creating a hype, cyber security. If my friend is watching, I can see it. I can, get a Wi-Fi password. I can do hacking. Man, that is all our myth. You can do everything in a proper way. Okay, ethical hacking and cyber security, threat identifier, SOC analyst, no, pen testing. Lot of things are there. Once you learn about basics of networking and work for 1 or 2 years, then only you can understand what threats you can identify, how the data is flowing. Okay, so make sure understanding a technology is very important. Okay, all these devices are manufactured by these companies. These companies are providing certifications. Okay, so now once you've done this internship, I'm providing a combination of courses called internships. I design a internships for freshers, experienced candidates in networking, experienced candidates in non-networking. It may they worked in a development role or any non-IT or non-networking. Okay. Yeah, I will tell about the internships at the later. Okay. So yeah, so this is all about behind the internet certifications and Juniper certifications we are providing and packet level knowledge. The specialty of Tungabhadra network is packet level knowledge. What do you mean by packet level knowledge? Let me show you right now. Okay. Suppose every website will have a IP address or just like that. So ping, so mintra.com, like www.mintra is a website. Okay. See, this is a Mintra IP address. So now the specialty of Tungabhadra networks is we use Wireshark tool here. Wireshark tool is a tool where you can do a packet capture. It can tell you your computer is interacting with what kind of servers. So currently I'm getting internet via Wi-Fi. So clicking on Wi-Fi. Look at this. Everything. What is this? So 0.1206 is my source, you see, right? It is my computer IP. Lot of people may not be understand it, but just get a clarity what exactly I'm showing here. So if you see, right, this is computer. 192.168.0.1206 is my computer IP address. Okay. So how you will identify? Simple. Go to your network adapters, right click, status, details you can give. Look at this. IPv4 address 192.168.0.206. This is my computer IP address. And my computer IP is accessing with what? This is Google IP. 74.125.250.255. This is a public IP. It owns by Google company. How you know it owns by Google company? Simple. Open here a Google Chrome. Just in internet only search it. What is IP? 74.125.250.255. Who owns this IP? Check it. Who owns this IP? Look at this. This is owned by Google LLC. So this IP is what? It's a Google Meet. Google Meet. This is a Google Meet, right? So you all are joining, right? So my computer is interacting with Google Meet, the Google Meet server. So what kind of data it is exchanging? The layer by layer, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, TCP UDP traffic, data, it is encrypted. Okay. This is my voice data, live data. Okay. Live data, voice data. The live data is carried by UDP protocol. See, you see UDP. My voice is a live data, right? Whatever I'm saying, you're able to listen in on live. The live data is carried by UDP protocol. There are a lot of things. So this kind of analysis I'll give it to you during the class. From day one, you will start learning with packet capture. So the product based companies are looking for this packet level knowledge. No one is giving that. I'm proudly saying, because I was a tech engineer, I know what exactly the engineer looks like, what exactly the engineer required skills. Okay. So if you learn these skills with packet capture, right? That's how you will crack an interview. So I will show you some of the students who got a job recently. One of the student got a job in Meta. Okay, he got a job in Meta. So I will show it to you here. One second. So he got a job in Meta. He is completely non-technical, guys. Okay. However, he cracked it. How he cracked it? Because of this internship. So it took for him 3 months. Okay. So if you see right here, are able to see it? Look at this. Are able to see it? So what is the package he got? 12 LPA, right? Hello, are you seeing it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
you
yeah, we
all,
are seeing it.
so
Data is there,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
There.
payroll is Tenari, but he got a job. The client location is Meta. He was very happy and saying that he is non-IT. He joined here with zero knowledge. Look at this his message. Okay, and he got it. Recently it has happened, and and I think yesterday only I announced. There are a lot of people. I can I'll show it to you. So you can see new. If you are in this group, you might know also. Okay. So yesterday, this is a guy, he's also a fresher. He got a job in Secure Links. And one of the person yesterday only he got a job. So let me show you. Uh, he is a fresher. So he's a fresher and he got a job there. And yeah, here, see, August 2026. It means one day back only, 2 days back. He's a fresher, he's a Cloud Force, he's a part of Capgemini company, and he got with 4.5 LPA. Okay. So like this, so many people. I will show you now all the offer letters. So if you are in this group, you might already know it. Okay. And my HR also shared all the offer letters. I think so with me. See, she's a girl. So her name is what? Kirti Reddy. She got in Deloitte with 2.85 LPA. Okay. This all are August month placements. So now this guy, he's also non-IT, completely non-IT. He got a job in Wipro with 8 LPA, with 8 LPA, with 120% hike. Now this is I just show you. So this all are offer letters, guys. We used to keep on sending it. So now she's also non-IT. She got a job directly in Palo Alto TAC engineer with 5.5 LPA. She was working in Wipro as a content modulator or something role is there, content modulation. So she's working as like that, and she got it almost 200% hike. The two TAC engineer directly. Okay. So these all are offer letters you see. These are the fresher guys. So they got 4.2 LPA with Airtel. Airtel is a client. Avain is a payroll. So yeah, like this, so many placements. Let me open here. My HR has prepared. Okay. Yeah, these are the placements list. This is July. This is August. So let me open August placements. Yeah. So August, these all are okay. Very few we have. There is a yeah. So currently you see right last week, just last week placements. These are all our last week placements. Okay. So this whatever event right, all are freshers. And this week also, they didn't update it, but I just show you right. This is just last week placements, and this week placements I just show you. Okay. So like this every month. So far 22 placements we have given till yesterday, 22 placements. Okay. So every month if you closely are observing us, we are providing 30 to 40 placements. How? Every month minimum 30. So still we have 8 days, right? A lot of people are attending interviews and they're giving, final. They're at final round. Some people are at level one round. Yeah. So once you clear the, once you complete the internship year, we'll take a mock interviews and we will refer to our clients. So our clients means there is a lot of jobs opportunities. Go to Tungabhadra Networks here website and jobs. Here you see this is a jobs, active jobs with our clients. This we will refer to only our students. Okay. This we will refer to only our currently six companies are having almost 15 plus openings are there. Students are given mock interviews. Whoever is completed the mock interview, we are referring them. Okay. So whatever the internship you take here, right? So everything is online. So you have a tool called SMS tool. Okay. So this is a tool we use. Once you enroll any internship, right? Whatever the courses it comes under the internship, that will be display here. Once you log in, this all are the courses. This is a student dashboard. If you take only fresher, whatever the fresher internship courses are available, it will display here. Okay. Here itself, you will have a videos, okay, with the materials and everything. Like this, materials with interview question and answers. Everything will be available on portal and it's a lifetime access. To learn this, it's a lifetime access. Okay. Installation lab, not only one course, whatever the courses you have, everything. And during learning, right, on the class you can ask your doubts, or else when you are preparing, right, you may have your questions. So in case if you get a question, cut a ticket with us. So we build a ticketing tool for you. Okay. So this is a ticketing tool. So what you need to do, we will give you this ticketing tool access to you. Whenever you have a query, just cut a ticket with us. Okay. So you have to create a ticket, manual ticket, and type your name and phone number and whatever the batch it is. Now August 24th is going to start a batch, right? You can type August 24th batch, issue, lab installation or whatever it is, and select the category. You have a lab setup, technical query, you need a mock interview assistance, resume preparation, whatever the category you have, everything you have here, and give a priority, and my team will get the notification. Immediately they will contact you. So morning 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. My team is available. They will immediately contact you to resolve it. Remaining time also, we have a US team. You will get a little slow response. You will get a response, but a little slow. But definitely, my team, I'm expanding the team. Yeah, during US time hours also, we have a dedicated team. You'll get a response. Okay. So everything is professional. Why I'm coming with ticketing system, freshers, if you get a IT job, you'll get a tickets only. You have to work with the tickets. Now you are the customers for me, and you will learn a customer point of view, what kind of tickets customers will create. You'll get that kind of hands-on experience related to IT process. What do you think, experienced candidates? You'll get a tickets only, right? So why they're giving 30 to 40,000 monthly as a 1 year experienced candidate? Because you'll get a tickets, you have to resolve the issues with tickets. Yes or no? Experienced candidates. Anyone is working in here, IT environment? You guys will work with tickets only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, so providing this kind of IT process to the fresher, they will get a hands-on experience on ticketing tool. Okay, and you will see what is a SLAs and everything. You will understand the situation. Okay, so everything is professionally recorded here. So whatever the query you ask, we will provide here with explanation and everything. So next time if you get a same question, you will refer to that explanation again. Okay, and by doing this, I'm maintaining accuracy, and so there is a perfect proof also what we are delivering to you. Okay, so this is what we are providing to all my students. And wonderful thing is, by end of this month, I'm building a Android app. So you no need to go with website every time. Install an Android app. Okay, people who are maintaining iPhone, it will take some time to build a iPhone app, but Android app is almost ready 90%. By end of the this month, we are launching it. You can access it. Okay, all the materials and also assessments. So whatever the assessments, right? Every day I'm providing assessment. Okay, so like this, you see, go to dashboard. Here on your dashboard, it will show you assessment. Once you click on assessment, you need to write an exam and submit it. So right now, you know, August 10th. So the batch is going on. So what they will do, see, they will provide the assessment, and whether they are passing or not, every day they're, you know, putting screenshots here. So every day we conduct assessments, and see, they're learning with packet capture. Look at this. The students is done packet capture. So we will practice, we will help them to do how to do packet capture, everything, guys. So we have a separate group here. We will follow up with you also here. Okay. So my team will follow up with you, take care of you and everything. Okay. Yeah. That's how you see the success. So people to this month they are getting job, right? They are 2 months back they have joined. The ultimate goal is within 2 months you get a job. Everyone is joining here to fulfill their goals, right? For freshers, they need a job. For experience, they want a better job in a good company. And non-IT, they want to move to IT with good package. So this is all your goals. To fulfill your goal is my dream. My company ethic is that. To fulfill your dream is our dream. So this is how we follow the things. Okay. And everything is online and everything is, you know, documented. So once you learn this kind of internships, right? What internships we have provided? Internships for freshers. Let me show you. So all the internships are available in the website. Go to website, click on internships here. Okay. So we have a fresher internship. The price also will display here. If you is there any discounts or anything? Some people are asking me, I don't have money. Can you please pay installment? I'm not related to this. I'm a technical guy. Please understand. I'm a technical guy. I only take care of technical things. This has maintained by different team. It's a company, guys. Try to understand. There is a different team about the prices and all. Talk to them. Okay. What I will check, so they will tell you to take a training. So they will 24th is going to start a new batch. I'll join that. I will give you training. My responsibility is to provide you technical things. Okay. So in network internship, you can check here. So view details. So all the courses, what are the courses are involved here? You can see here. CCNA advanced. It's a advanced training. Why I call advanced? Because BGP is a protocol behind internet. It is there. This protocol you will learn in CCNA itself. And monitoring tools, ticketing tools. Look at this. Go to courses. Click on CCNA Advanced. You will see all the syllabus here itself. What are the syllabus we are giving? You can give. You can check it here. Where is that CCNA Advanced? Yeah, CCNA Advanced training. Click here. You see networking fundamentals at packet level, routing and switching technologies, product training, wireless, Cisco Meraki, everything will cover, and troubleshooting and ticketing tools and monitoring tools. Ticketing tools and monitoring tools also will cover here. I think troubleshooting here. Monitoring and ticketing tools, iOS upgrade activities, each and everything will cover here. And resume preparation and job referrals, mock interviews, everything will cover. Even if you take only CCNA also. Okay. But I preferred internship. Why? Because the companies are looking for multi-vendor knowledge. Multi-vendor. Suppose in your home, you are using TV is one company, refrigerator is one company, and fridge is, I mean, like mixer is one company, right? Are you using all electronics equipment, same brand? No, right? Based on the budget, based on the performance, we can buy different brand. Yes or no? Are you guys are using same brand for all the electronic appliances,
No, no, no.
right? Same way here also in IT, they don't use only Cisco. They use Juniper. They use Aruba. So I'm giving multi-vendor knowledge
Oh,
here.
can you show me the syllabus?
You can check it the syllabus. You can open in internet website on your Chrome. Open in the internet and you can see each and every syllabus. Okay. So syllabus is already there in website. Go to the courses and you have all the courses here. Click on any course. You will see all the syllabus here. Okay. This is the syllabus of CCNA advanced training. You can check it and get back to us in case if you have any questions. Okay. Now this is the internships where here. So these are the internships. Go on internships and fresher internship. It is a combination of all these courses. So here we provided CCNA Advanced, Aruba, AWS for networking, and Juniper along with global certification assistance, and Linux, very important. Linux for networking and communication skills and personality development skills. Like when you join in any company, how you will interact with you know customers and all. So this is a fresher internship training, guys. Okay. So whatever I'm providing, you can do all the syllabus, copy paste it, ask it chat GPT, or you can do your own research and you can decide it whether you want to join it or not. Okay, I'm telling you, there's a lot of job opportunities are there. That's why I'm providing jobs, right? So you can see the offer letters also. Whether you join here or not doesn't matter for me. The only matter for me is don't forget or don't underestimate this networking domain. This is a future. Now everyone having a question. Does AI will take these jobs? So you will tell it. I'm showing it now. You will tell it. So you see normal data center. Now AI data center. Backend of AI data center. What devices we use? We use GPUs. What we use? GPUs. These GPUs are manufactured by who? Which company? NVIDIA. Right? NVIDIA GPUs. This is called GB200 device. So when I was working in Oracle, I worked for ChatGPT. You guys are using ChatGPT, right? So I worked behind the ChatGPT data center. Okay. So whatever you are opening on ChatGPT and searching, right? Okay. So whatever you are searching, the instructions are coming to this data center AI device. So you see, right? All these devices, they're connecting to who? Our networking devices. We use a clause architecture, spine and leaf architecture in data center. All our networking devices. See, between AI device and this is your phone. So between them, what you have? You have a routers, networking equipment. Yes or no? Backend, who are they? Routers and switches, all internet is there. Without internet, will you able to access ChatGPT?
No.
No, right? So who is providing internet? We, network engineers. Even though the AI device, this NVIDIA GPU is connected to the networking device, and your home or Wi-Fi, you are connected to your home Wi-Fi. Our also that is also networking devices. So between interaction between your mobile phone and the ChatGPT, right? AI device. Behind that, internet is there. Without internet, whatever the LLMs, whatever the AI models you build it, what is the purpose of using it? You are you developed a WhatsApp. Without internet, will you use WhatsApp? What is the purpose of using WhatsApp then? Without internet, right? So without internet, nothing can work. Even AI need us to establish a connectivity from user to AI, right? You understand what I'm saying, everyone? Now you tell me, does AI will take our jobs?
No.
So if any cable go down, so does AI will go and fix that cable issue?
No.
Okay, so AI cannot replace it. But even though I'm telling you to build these applications, right? I told you, right? We are building an Android app. We are a network engineers, but we are building an Android app. How it is possible? Use AI. We are using Cloud AI right now. We are using Cloud AI and we are building apps. So whatever you see these websites, how is this website is looking like visually and the content? We build it. We are a network engineers, we build it. So earlier we used to contact development team like front end team who know CSS, HTML and all, right? Now AI is building the websites. No need of any developer help. Now if you go to my website right here, this ticketing tool also we build it. Okay. So this is our own tool. See, I'm internally located in Karnool. I'm accessing with IP address. This is a server. If you want to access this sms.tungabhadranetworks.com, type it, you will see everything. Okay. Yeah. So you will see this login page. So this is a website we build it for you. Okay. So what I mean to say is people who know coding, they don't have any feature now. People who know how to use AI, they have feature. Okay. So you have to evolve your skills. So now by using every company is integrating AI to improvise their code. Okay. And in networking also, automation. Automation is very important. So in data center, you have a lakhs of devices. So those lakhs of devices, if you want to configure, it will take years. Okay. That's why they do automation. So by learning Python, so you do automation. If you need a very good pay scale with very good product based company, especially like Amazon or Google or anything, if you really want to get a job in big companies, network automation is a big role. Okay. So that covers everything. Network automation internship. Okay. So yeah. So once you take these internships, right, you'll come to know. I'm explaining one by one the internships. You'll get some idea. So fresher internship, take a fresher people take a fresher internships. Okay. So who are freshers? I'm telling you again. Who are the freshers? People who are not working, they are freshers. Even if you have a career gap, doesn't matter. If anyone is asking here for fake certificates to fulfill your career gap, or if you're really looking for backdoor, kindly drop from now. We don't encourage that kind of shitty things. Okay. So even 2014 candidate, passed out candidate also, he got a job as a fresher with 2.5 LPA to 3 LPA. It's okay. Don't compare with others. My friend is getting 10 LPA, I'm getting 2.5 LPA if I get a job. No problem. Whatever happens is happen. After getting 1 year of experience, that package will get double. If you go in a wrong direction, you don't have such a career. I'm telling you. Okay. సో నా దగ్గరికి డైలీ మినిమం 4 to 5 people అన్న కాల్ చేస్తుంటారు. బ్యాక్ డోర్ లో ఇంత మనీ కట్టాం, ఐ లాస్ ద మనీ ఆఫ్ 19 lakhs ఫర్ 19 ప్యాకేజ్. సో 10 lakhs for 10 lakhs package for 10 lakhs, like that backdoor entries. Lot of people are struggling a lot, even though fake certificate people also, please, yeah, kindly drop it if you're looking for fake certificates and backdoor entries. We don't provide anything like that. So we provide internships with live projects. Everything is on live. You can put on your resume also. Once you complete the internship, we'll give you a certification. Tungabhadra Networks company is providing a certification to you. So you can mention that URL. You can mention that URL on your resume also. Okay. So let me show you how the certificate is looking like. It's not like a paper certificate. So once you completed a course, right, they will write on some paper and give it to you. No, we don't give that kind of things. Okay. So we'll give you what? A real digital certificate. Look at this. Recently, we issued the certificate to this person, and we sent via email and LinkedIn also. They posted in LinkedIn. Okay. So how exactly? Yeah. Let me show you this. Mm. So we did not issue this certificate without complete mock interviews. Whether you should get a job, or whether you must, whether you should get a job, or else you must complete the mock interviews. Once you complete the mock interviews, then only we. So if you take internship, this is a certificate we give. So this is a recipient view. Okay. So you can, you know what? You can publish this in your LinkedIn also. So you can verify the credentials and publish this in LinkedIn. Add to a LinkedIn profile. So that if anyone HRs is looking, right, they will click on this digital credentials. It will verify online. It's a valid credentials or not. See, this is a valid credentials. This credential securely issued. So powered by who? Issued by Tungabhadra Networks. Okay. Yeah. So this is lifetime certificate. You will get a certificate for freshers. It will be useful a lot. Okay. Yeah. So everything we are providing here. Okay. Certification and everything. So freshers, please take a fresher internship. That is what my suggestion is. And if you want to take individual course, it's up to you. Do your own research and take it. Okay. And experienced candidates, if you have a proof for your experience, proof in the sense you have a relieving letters, and you have a bank statements. You should have a relieving letters, bank statements, and last company 3 months pay slip. You may work for so many companies. Just last company 3 to 6 months pay slips and bank statement and relieving letter. If you have it, you will be considered as a experienced candidate. Otherwise, not. Some people may say that I worked in one company, but they didn't give me any pay slips. I have a relieving letter. Even if you don't have a pay slips, if you have a bank statement saying that the amount is credit from the company, if you have that kind of proof, that's it. Okay. Some people may say that I have a pay slips, I don't have a bank statement. They're giving through cash. So company letter pad will be there. So ask your company. So through letter pad, so you got a salary, right? So tell them to give through letter pad how much salary they gave it to you. So you should have a proof. End of the day, you should have a proof for your working experience. So for experienced candidates, networking, people who are networking, right? They can take core IT internship. And fresher internships, we have two guys. Some people they know already coding. If you really know coding, take advanced network fresher internship. It covers network automation. Okay, very important. This is a future. Okay, so you will learn a lot of things here. If you already know Python, they will exclude the Python. So if you know coding, if you really like coding, so in networking also we support coding. So we have coding jobs, not coding jobs. If you already know some coding, right, take this advanced network fresher internship. This can help you to get a job in product based company. Okay. Now, experienced candidates for experienced candidates in networking who are working as a NOC engineers or support roles or enhance you want skill, right? Take a advanced core IT internship. So it is cover everything. CCNA, CCNP, Juniper, Aruba, Palo Alto, Linux, everything. Four vendor knowledge you will get it. Okay. Coming to CCNP, from CCNP it is having service provider, data center. So what I did, I combined all the important skills and I created my own course. Okay. So you can check here CCNP. Okay, so it is a combination of, see, one certificate, one course, you have a lot of protocols. Doesn't make any sense to learn all. Whatever it is important, I grabbed it, like service provider, data center, and Enco enterprise. I grabbed it and I prepared my own content. It's a very huge content. Check it, and yeah, you'll get a clarity. So this is for experienced candidates who are working as a network engineers. At least if you know the basics of networking, some people working as a desktop support engineer. If you have a networking basics, no problem, take it. People who don't know networking, completely out of the scope. You may worked in non-IT environment, or else you may worked in non-networking environment. So recently one of the guy got a job. He's a developer. He worked for 1 year. So he's a non-IT only. So non-networking. So whoever is non-networking, we call as a non-IT. Just for understanding, okay? Non-IT means you're even working in IT as a developer or something else, DevOps engineer or anything. We just consider as a non-networking only. So for them who don't know anything about networking, please take non-IT to IT internship. So non-IT to IT internship covers everything. So CCNA, Juniper, Aruba, and the main thing is real-time projects. These real-time projects are consist of 18 modules. So version 2.0. Look at this. These all are the modules. So it will cover everything, TAC level operations, doc, everything. Real-time P1, P2 tickets, if it comes, how to handle it, situation-based questions, scenario-based questions, root cause analysis. So this real-time provide version 2.0 training is given to core IT internship candidates also. For experienced candidates, everyone they are eligible. Okay. So how we provide placements here? Once you complete CCNA with real-time projects here for all experienced candidates, once you completed CCNA with real-time projects, we will add you one WhatsApp group that is called real-time project mentoring group. Here we will connect with you one to one. We'll prepare your resume. We'll help you to crack mock interviews. We'll help you to understand the concepts. Everything. We'll take care of that. Once you give a mock interviews, right? We can prepare your resume. We can try outside, networking portals like job portals, as well as we will refer to the clients based on the requirement. Whatever the current openings we have, we will refer it accordingly. Both sides we do. Okay. So this is what the syllabus is for internship people. Non-IT to IT internship, explore it. People who don't know networking, you can take this. Okay. And people who want to move automation, I'm requesting. I worked as a network automation engineer from last 5 years. I really hate coding. When I was joining in Amazon, right? So they told me to learn automation. I started learning it. That's how I learned automation. And when I was joining Oracle as well, we do automation. Okay, we use DevOps, networking DevOps, Kubernetes, Terraform. So we write a code in Terraform. Okay, so a lot of things. Okay, so network automation program which covers everything, all the courses here, CCNA, Juniper, everything except CCNP, complete automation. So for whoever is joined here, especially US folks, US, I don't know how many people are here, US candidates. So all people need this automation training, because all the companies now, October month is going on, US financial year will be started. They're hiring in a huge way. Lot of openings coming in next 2 months. Okay. Yeah. This is all internships based on your requirement, interest, and you can take the internships. If you really want to take only single course also, it's up to you. You can take it. Except Aruba. Aruba, you cannot take single course. You must take CCNA. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So once you learn all these internships, this kind of job roles you will see. Network engineer in data center. So I started my career as a network engineer in data center in the year of 2016, and network analyst. In case anything happened to your company, right? You have to analyze the situations, and you need to prepare a root cause analysis. And next time, if any server goes down, why it went down? Okay. So yeah, I cannot share my number. Okay. So yeah. So please wait for it. I'll talk to you one to one. So network analyst is the one of the role. Okay. And so they can identify the issues, live issues, and they will prepare a report saying that next time it should not occur again. Make sure your organization running smoothly with 24 into 7 without any impact. In case of any issues, you have to identify it. That is a role of network analyst. And knock engineer is a common role. In any data center, you may see 1 lakh devices. All 1 lakh devices, how can you identify in case anything goes down? There's a lot of racks, right? In case any device goes down, how you will identify it? So backend, there is a monitoring tool. Here also we use monitoring tool. We will give you monitoring tool training here. JobX we use here. Okay. Yeah. So let me show you the monitoring tool, what we use here. So we use monitoring tool JobX, and you see, right? All are the devices we are monitoring it right now. So this is a monitoring tool. It will show if the device is down, it will show in red, problems, alerts. Based on that, see, it will monitor all the device. If any interface down, it will alert us, and we'll create a ticket also. So we were giving a training on ticketing tools. We use GLPI as a ticketing tool where you'll see tickets. So how you'll get a tickets in real world? In case any device goes down, see, you'll get a tickets like this. Where is the tickets? Yeah, 308 tickets are there in my dashboard right now. See, the device is not reachable. This link is down. So I will give you a training. We'll give you access to this to our students, ticketing tool and monitoring tool access. So we will assign the real world tickets to them as well, so that they can work on the tickets, live issues. They will get a real hands-on experience. Okay. Yeah. So we use these tools, and monitoring knock engineer means you only know monitoring. If you put your knock engineer experience on your resume, you will not get calls. Don't put knock engineer experience. It's an entry level job only. People who are working as a knock engineer for years, you don't have much career. By the way, any knock engineer here? Anyone working as a knock engineer here? No one? Okay, fantastic. So fair enough. So this is a knock engineer roles. So you'll get a for freshers it is fine for 1 year. After that, you have to move it quickly. Now L1 network engineer. Okay. This is also a role for freshers. You will get it. Now network administrator, like a company is called a small companies or any five-star hotels or any government organizations, right? They're maintaining every networking equipment in their organization. So this is a network admin role. They will not only for networking, Windows and other system also they will, yeah, yeah, uh, you know, they will take care of everything in their organization. Now service providers means Geo, Airtel, and everything. Okay, so Geo, Airtel, and Sifi Technologies, Tata Communications. In service provider environment, if you get a job, right, do not miss it, guys. You will learn a lot in service provider. Yeah. Now tech engineer. This is product based company. So service based and product based. Service based companies are TCS, Infosys, Wipro. These all are service based companies. These service based companies are working for these product based companies. For a fresher in a service based company, for they're giving 25,000 rupees per month. Same as product based company, for same role they're giving 1 lakh rupee per month. Now you decide it whether you will get a product based or service based. Okay, for freshers to get a product based, it is very hard because they're looking for the candidates from IIT and IT. Minimum, if you have a 2 years of experience, you'll get a very good package. One of my student, she has a 2.2 years of experience and 2.4 or something is LPA. She got 16 LPA directly. So product-based companies will not look for your current package. They look for the skill. If you match those skills, right, they will give you what? They will give you the slab. So networking, especially, we have a lot of companies. Cisco, Palo Alto, FI Load Balancer, Fortinet, Microtech, Sophos. These are the UTMs, firewalls. We have so many product-based companies. Product-based company means they may have their own product, whether it could be a software or hardware. If you have a hardware, right, they have a software also. Inside the hardware, you need to install a software, right? They are the product-based companies. Networking domain is the only domain you can directly move to product-based company. One of the non-IT girl, Uma, she moved into IT as a Palo Alto tech engineer directly. representing Palo Alto product. Okay, tech engineer is the highest role in networking. It means in your organization there is a network engineers already. If they are not able to resolve the issues, they will contact to the tag team. Tag team is the final contact persons. Tag team will isolate it, whether it is a bug or everything. Hardware level issues, protocol level issues, bug, everything they will identify. So my training is tag engineer training. If you really want to become a tag engineer, if you want to learn packet level and get a job in product based company, this is the best platform. Okay. Yeah. Now cloud network engineer means it's not like that. It's same network engineer only. In a cloud companies like Amazon, Google, Oracle, Microsoft, if you work as a network engineer, that's it. Cloud means remote. That's it. The cloud network engineer. Role is same, responsibilities are same. So this is the Amazon data center when I worked there. So this is a picture, and this is my journey. I started my journey as a field network engineer. My salary was at the time 8,000 rupees per month in the year of 2013. Then I moved to Infosys, Infosys to Juniper Tech, Tech to Amazon, Nokia, and Oracle. So where I was started with very less package. So I learned a lot on the field. Look at this. I worked on DWM devices, ASR 903s, 920s. I did everything. I learned everything. I got an opportunity to work with everything. So some, especially I'm talking about boys. If people get a field engineer jobs, they think that in a different way. No, field means you have a site somewhere else. You need to travel there and you need to troubleshoot and you need to deploy it. Deploy in the sense configuration. To fix these devices, there is a separate team will be there. Okay, so you can do lot of things. This equipment is cost is crores of rupees, and they're giving services to the customers. So you are handling all the customers. You have a lot of privilege to do these things. Okay, you will enjoy the technology also. If you want to block websites, you can block it. In government offices, all the websites are blocked. Facebook, YouTube, and 18 plus content also is blocking by India IXP, right? So how to block the websites, everything you will learn here. Okay, yeah, it's part of networking, parts of communication. So currently my package was, when I was working in Oracle, it was 40 LPA. That is only fixed pay. So product based companies, what they will give you, you see right in news, 2 crores package, 3 crores package. That you mean that is not a real package, guys. Out of 2 crores, only 18 lakhs or 20 lakhs is a fixed pay. Remaining all are shares. They will give you the company shares. So my package was, it's just 40 LPA was fixed pay, remaining all are shares. I don't want to reveal my shares, but yeah. So then I started my own company. I'm doing my own infrastructure. Educational services I'm doing with my passion. Once the student is getting job and they're so happy. So that kind of gratitude I'll not get it with money. So I'm doing this from last 2 years and providing this technology to the students and providing job opportunities to them is one of my passion. I'm doing it. Now we started IT services. We are designing and implementing IT solutions, network infrastructure solutions to the customers, and we're doing it. Okay. So yeah, some people may think that Anna, you have a very good big package. And why you left the job? Why are you teaching it with for earning money only you're doing, right? That no, that is not the case, guys. At one day, my dream is I want to retire from 40 age, at the age of 40 age. Right now I'm at 34, 34 running. 34 is done, 35 is running. So you cannot do 9 to 5 job all the time, right? You also learn a lot and you do your own business. Okay. So I fulfill everything. I don't have anything. I came from nothing, and I don't have any, home or anything. Okay. So I came from nothing, and but I built an empire now. I help my sisters to complete their studies. They are also network engineers, earning 20 LPA, 21 LPA. One of my sister is doing job in entity data. She got 21 LPA, and my cousins, everyone, part of it also. We are doing projects now. Okay, that's about education. So my father was an auto driver. I also drew the auto. Okay, so the thing is, time changes and situations also changes. No one can help you to do these things. Okay, even your who relative or anyone, Hey, don't worry, I'm here to help you. No one can do that. You have to fight for yourself. Okay. I learn it. Education changed my life. I don't have any own house, but I have everything now. I fulfill my family needs and everything. Now I'm enjoying the student success. Okay. And also doing IT infrastructure projects. We recently opened an office in US as well, right? Yeah. So yeah. So at the end, money doesn't matter. The bloody satisfaction you get with different ways based on your, you know, how you grow, how you think. Okay. Yeah, I'm enjoying the student success and we will continue this. And also we are earning the money through IT infrastructure projects and you also, right? And we are putting a lot of efforts. Okay. So we are hired 40 engineers with me right now, L3, L2 engineers. And we purchase a lot of equipment, opened a different branches, providing continuous support to you to help the people. My aim is to change the education system. That is my biggest goal. Even after studying 16 years, why are you looking for a other networking course or any other course to get a job? Do you think this, right? Indian education system is a shit. I'm telling you. Yes or no? How many agree with me? If it is not a shit, why are you again joining the courses? ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ కోర్సెస్ జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి? ఎందుకు జాబ్ కోసం సెర్చ్ చేయాలి బయట? అవునా? 16 ఇయర్స్ స్కూల్‌లో బ్యాగులు మోస్తూ బస్తాల్లాగా ఎన్ని పుస్తకాలు మోసారు. You have done so much of hard work, you spent so much of time. 10th, Inter, BTech. Again, you are doing extra course for your job. It does make sense, really. So, look at the China and Japan. After 12th standards, they are learning practically. So, I'm recommend you to మీరు కూడా మీకు in case if anyone is there surrounding you, educate them. 10th చదివితే చాలు. If you get good marks in 10th, your life will change. People who used to say that, పెద్దవాళ్ళు. No, it will not change. Even Inter also, if you done a 980 marks and if you get a good MSET rank or IIT, NIT, your life will change. No, it will not change. After BTech, if you complete, your life will change. Lot of people are completed BTech and they are not doing anything. They are fighting for the jobs and they're getting a career gap. And institutions and other people are using that your curiosity and they're taking a lot of money from you and they're um, uh, taking you in a wrong way. This is what it is happening. సో ఇంటర్ తర్వాతనే మీరు ప్రాక్టికల్‌గా నాలెడ్జ్ నేర్చుకుంటే ఇప్పటికల్లా బీటెక్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్‌కే జాబ్ వస్తుంది. అట్‌లీస్ట్ ఐ డిడ్ సమ్ చేంజెస్. లాట్ ఆఫ్ బీటెక్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ దే జాయిన్డ్ ఇట్ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ దే గాట్ ద జాబ్. నాట్ ఇన్ హండ్రెడ్స్ బట్ ఇన్ టెన్స్. నౌ ఇట్ ఇన్ టెన్స్, మేబీ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హండ్రెడ్స్. Slowly, slowly I can change. My surroundings first. Okay? So you can also tell the people, okay? So why are we see explore the technologies, not only networking, explore other technologies, learn practically. Whatever you want to do it practically. Okay. So yeah, think about it, guys. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is all about it. This is all about the internship courses. And you'll get a pay scale. If you are a fresher internship, right, you'll get a 2.5 to 4.5 LPA. Just now I show you, right, one of the candidates is a fresher. He got a job with 4.5 LPA. Okay. Yeah. So look at this. He's a fresher. He got 4.5 LPA. Okay. Same. Okay. So the freshers will get minimum 2.5 to 4.5 LPA. And experienced candidates, it is completely depends on your skill set. Minimum 100% like you will get it. Non-IT to IT or networking. Product based. Aim for the product based company, guys. It's a product based training. If you complete this training, you will get a 14 years of experience candidate. What kind of knowledge they are having, right? Same knowledge you will get it. Okay. Yeah. So once you've done a Juniper Global certification, this is how it look like. Okay. Yeah. So these are the recently passed candidates. So many people are, passing it. Okay. Now about night shifts, guys. Yeah. Some people say that I don't want to do a night shift. So we are working for a US clients. Night shifts are common. But if you get a job in product-based company, you don't see night shifts maximum. Okay. From last 6 years, I was doing work from home. I'm not doing any night shift. Okay. So some people are looking for, I need only work from home job. No, it is not like that. It is completely depends on the client. Night shifts And the work from home jobs, everything, it is completely depends on the clients. ఓకే. అన్న నాకు నైట్ షిఫ్ట్ లేని జాబ్ కావాలి. ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్యాంటసీ థింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సమ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ కాలింగ్ మీ, ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ హౌ మచ్ మనీ యూ వాంట్, బట్ మై సన్ నీడ్ ఏ జాబ్. We are well settled. We have everything, but my son is not getting married because of job. What I do if your son is not getting marriage? You understand what I'm saying, guys? సో కొంతమంది కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యి మా పిల్లోడికి పెళ్ళి అవ్వట్లేదు, జాబ్ ఇప్పించండి, మీకు ఎంత కావాలో అంత ఇస్తామన్నారు. నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లైక్ దాట్. పెళ్లి కుదిరితే పెళ్ళికొస్తా, కానీ జాబ్ అయితే ఇప్పించలేం. ఓకే, చదువుకుంటేనే జాబ్ వస్తుంది. అలా చెప్పే పక్కన వాళ్ళకి యా సార్ మీకు ఇప్పిస్తామని చెప్పి బ్యాక్ డోర్ అది పెట్టి మీ దగ్గర లక్షలు దోచుకుంటున్నారు. సో అలా ఫస్ట్ పేరెంట్స్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి. పేరెంట్స్ మైండ్ సెట్ షుడ్ బి చేంజ్. ఓకే. సో 10th లో 580, 560 కాదు, పాస్ అయితే చాలు, ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ వస్తే చాలు. ఇంటర్లో కూడా అంతే. అలాంటి మైండ్ సెట్ ఉండాలి పేరెంట్స్కి. అలాంటి మైండ్ సెట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు చూడండి, యుఎస్లో లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ట్రావెలింగ్ టు యుఎస్ విత్ F1 వీసా. నౌ దే ఆర్ స్ట్రగలింగ్ ఎ లాట్ అండ్ టేకింగ్ ఎ ట్రైనింగ్ హియర్. ఎంత కష్టపడి మంచిగా చదువుకుంటారు ఇక్కడ, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి 10 years 5 years ఫేక్ పెడుతున్నారు. ఎనీ యుఎస్ ఫోక్స్ ఆర్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ మీటింగ్? ఎనీవన్ ఫ్రమ్ యుఎస్? హలో, in this meeting? Yeah, Shamikar, Manoj. You know, right, how things are going on, how struggle you're doing there. Struggling a lot, right? You guys are freshers? Okay.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, lot of struggles. They're very good at India. They haven't done anything, wrong. And but moving to other country because of the situation, they're compromising it. So, yeah, things are going like that. Okay. Anyhow, so I told you, right? Fresher people, take a fresher internship. Experienced candidates take experience. The duration of fresher internship is 3 months. Okay. And experienced candidates in non-IT, it is 3 months, 15 days. Okay. Now it is changed. 3 months, 15 days. Now experienced candidate IT, it is also 3 months, 15 days. Okay. Now the advanced network internship, it will be 5 months. This will be 5 months duration. Okay. Like a fully automation internship. Okay. Yeah. This is all about it, guys. Now, whatever I said, right? Everything captured it, do your own research, and whether it is worthy or genuine or not, you can take your own decision. Go to office and verify it, and now you can join. Okay. Now I'll talk to one now. Okay. Your one session will be private, right? So yeah, I'm stopping the recording now. Yeah, thank you everyone.